another video, and today we'll be doing a VDay Valentine's Love Day makeup look. This is my version of a Valentine's Day look. You know, very sultry, sexy, just all with the eyelashes, like all with the eyes in this look. We have everything going on in this look. We got some bottom lashes, we got some bottom glitter liner, we got, you know, the edges laid, we got the hair slicked down, you know, we got, what else we got? We got the cut crease going on. Like, we got the most, okay? But if you want to see how I got this look, just make sure you keep on watching. But before we continue on to the video.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Subscribe to your girl, please. Subscribe, comment, like, share. What's stopping you? Thank you. Okay? Enjoy the video, and I will see you. Okay? So as you can see, I started off with one eye because I didn't know where I was going with it. I just had an idea of the colors I wanted to use, but I didn't know how to use them. And this didn't turn out the way I envisioned it, but so far so good. Got some bottom eyelashes. Hopefully you can see that, but I put like glitter right underneath my lower lash line. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna do this side on camera. To prime my eye, I'm taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 26. And I'm just gonna put that everywhere on my lid, a good amount of it. I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. I'm gonna take my Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Serve as one of my transition shades. I mixed so many colors in this just to make everything work. So I'm just trying to remember how I did all this. Yeah, it's gonna be my transition shade. Now taking my Ace Beaute palette, my Grandiose palette. This palette right here. I'm gonna be taking the color Clove. It's like a peachy type color. There's nothing else to describe about it. And I'm gonna add that on top of my transition shade and just a bit lower into my crease. Okay, so I'm using the same palette. I'm gonna be taking Poppy, and now I'm gonna start to get these colors flowing. I'm gonna put this into my crease area. That little like brown effect in my outer crease area, that darker effect. Going back in with the Violet Voss palette, and I'm gonna take the color Strong, and I mix that as well with some black eyeshadow, which in this case is called Inspo. And yeah, I just kind of mixed those two and just plopped it on top. More so I took the brown than the black because I didn't want such a harsh, dark outer look. Okay, so now that that's done, now it's time to cut that crease. I'm going to be using the same concealer that I use as my eyeshadow base, which is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm just gonna plop that on there and then do the trick where I look up. It looks a bit higher than usual, but that's where it stops. So you can see that, kind of see it. So now I'm gonna work with that as my guideline in order to cut my crease. Some of this might be done off camera because it takes a lot of concentration. Okay, I'm back. So I cut the crease. I didn't even finish it, so I can just show you as much as I can on camera. So now I'm just gonna blend out the rest of the crease right here with my finger. I'm just gonna blend it out into that brown area. Just pat that. Now we're gonna go back in with the brown eyeshadow and kind of create a nice gradient on the cut crease. Just like so. I'm going to be taking my Tarte palette, my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. This is how she looks. Ain't she pretty? And the shade I took is right here. And that color is called Compass. And I'm just going to pop that onto my lid. Moving on, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. And for my eyeliner, I use the MAC Liquid Lash Liner. I don't really do eyeliner on camera because I take two in my hands to use it. I don't know if that's weird or not. I'll try to do as much as I can on camera, but if I need to come off, then I'm sorry guys. So I'm just gonna line my eyes. Okay, so I have like the basis of it down packed, but I'm gonna have to come on camera and come back with, I'm gonna do my eyeliner, I'll put on my upper lash, but we'll do this bottom part together, okay? I'll be back. Okay, so eyeliner is done, eyelash is on, and we're gonna move on to the rest of the eye. As though we didn't have that going on. I did this glitter eyeliner, which I really don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a pink glitter. Only imagine what you can see. I don't know. Sometimes like I feel like you guys, like when I look at the monitor, I feel like you guys can't see certain things, but then when I go back to edit, I'm like, oh, that looks so vivid and clear. Like, what am I talking about? So I don't know at this point. I'm gonna take my glitter and some eyelash glue, some glitter glue. This is by NYX. And I'm just gonna take some of that, put it on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna go in with that same tiny brush I used for my cut crease for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this colored glitter right here. Don't know if you can see that. It's like a baby pink with tints of purple in it. Oh shoot, no. Okay, so first I'm gonna take my eyelash glue, coat that in my brush, and I'm gonna go under, right under my lash line where I really want the glitter. Like I'm applying this on as though I'm applying on eyeliner. Just gonna make a line. I didn't even thought about putting the glitter like in my waterline, but I'm like, that might be actually dangerous and hazardous to my actual eyes. Let's not push it. Gonna dip that brush into my glitter, and I'm just gonna line up where I put the glue. Next, it's time for these bottom eyelashes. Okay. I don't know, like, you know, it's Valentine's Day, so I just think of sultry and sexy, and I don't know, I just thought of like big ass eyelashes, so that's what I'm gonna go for. I did not get a chance to buy actual clusters or like individual eyelashes at the beauty supply, so then I'm like, oh shoot, I'm not gonna get to do what I want to do. But then I thought, okay, well I have so many like old eyelash chips just, you know, lying around in random places, and I'm like, you know what, I can just take a strip, cut it up, and make my own bottoms, which I did. So I took a strip and I cut her eyelash glue, put that on the back of my hand. Okay, take my tweezer, dip that in my glue. You don't need a lot of glue at all. And then I think I placed about 4 on this side, so I'm gonna do literally the same thing. Bottom lashes are on now. Next, I'm going to just prime my face, put on some foundation and concealer. I'm going to do that off camera very quickly because my camera's about to die and I need to charge it as, you know, I'm doing something in a while. But for my primer, I'm going to be using the KaBrow FX Blurring Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to be taking the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and this is in the color NC45. And for concealer, I'm going to be taking the Rihanna Pro Filt'r concealer, and this is in the color 330. So I'm going to put all this on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, guys. My camera died on me like I predicted, but yeah, I basically finished my foundation and my concealer. Now I'm going to move on to contouring my face, highlighting, you know, finishing off the job. So to contour, one of the things I'm using as my liquid is the Color Pop No Filter Concealer, and this is in Deep Dark 52. And I'm just going to apply that to where I want it. And I'm just going to blend that in using my big brush. Deepen things a bit, taking the Morphe Bontour Contour palette, and I'm going to be taking both these shades. I'm first going to take the like actual contour shade, put that on loose, and drag it down. For highlight, I'm going to take my Pur Sculptor palette and my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. This is like nothing new. I'm gonna mix these two together. So I'm gonna take the color Trailblazer in this one, which is right here. In the Huda Beauty palette. Taking the color Tahiti. Okay, so for my blush, I'm going to be using the MAC blush in the color Raisin. It's Raisin. It's like a reddish pen. Okay, so moving on to lips. I want more of like a pinky lip. Well, why not? It's Valentine's Day. The more pink, the better. The more red, the more pink, the better. Plus I want like a light shade on the eyes. So I'm gonna be between these shades right here. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lolita. And we're gonna put her on first. I'm not gonna use lip liner. I'm gonna use this as my lip liner pretty much, okay? Okay, let's do this. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of pink to the center. Maybe this way, I don't know. Oh, sorry. And this is the MAC lipstick in, I think it's called Girl About Town. That's what it's called. No, I'm just gonna kind of put it on top. You know?